Hello everybody, once again. I am very lucky that I haven't been to a NIO house in about a week, because there was a couple of days there where I was like 3 NIO houses a day. But now I'm in Tianjin, up near Beijing, and I am gonna go to another NIO house for you. I just gotta find it. There's Dairy Queen. I love Dairy Queen. Maybe I get a Blizzard after this. Subway over there. Okay. Tianjin, let's talk about Tianjin. Let me think. Tianjin, I've been here a few times, and what is famous in Tianjin is baozi. You probably know baozi. They are like big, bready kind of dumplings. Here they have gobuli, that's the famous brand, and they're just expensive, but they taste like every other dumpling, like baozi dumpling. Okay, so I'm lost. I came up from the parking garage, and I have no idea actually how to get to where I want to go. But at least now you can see what kind of shopping mall the NIO house is inside. It's in the financial center here in downtown Tianjin, the International Global Finance Center. Anyway, I'm gonna go find it, I guess. All right, well, I made it outside, so that's a step up, I guess, because on the picture on the NIO app, it shows it on the ground floor, street level, big glass front, similar to this coach shop here, but obviously it's not a coach shop. So I'm just gonna walk around this building until I find it. Tianjin seems really cool. It's been a few years since I've been here, but pizza shop, burger shop, KFC, whatever. But that's good. I like having international options. Tianjin's actually about like an hour by high-speed rail to Beijing. It's a big part of this northern Chinese corridor that's just packed with people, and it's supposed to become a huge mega city. At least that's the plan. We'll see what happens. Kind of like the next Pearl River Delta, like Guangzhou, Hong Kong, Shenzhen, that area. Supposedly this is going to be the next one. All right, so I have no idea where this place is actually. I'm gonna navigate to there with my phone. I found it at last. I guess I just should have looked for the NIOs, right? There's 2. So here in the Tianjin NIO house, it's the first one I've been to where the actual car area, the showroom area, and the actual NIO house area are not separated. Usually you have to scan your QR code to get in to the NIO house. And they're 2 separate places, but oh man, I really like that color. Almost wish I could have got this green instead. Here in Tianjin, they're very cool. They also gave me a gift as an out-of-town car owner. Let me take this off. So anyway, they gave me a gift. What'd they give me? The NIO ET7 fridge magnet. That's pretty nice. And here I've got my drink about ready to go. Now some of these cards, I would actually recommend to NIO, if they want my suggestion, is to make all the cards like standardized, because they're all same size, everything like that. They have a description on the back, but some of them have actually the ingredients of the drink on here, and some of them do not. And so I like the ones that have the actual ingredients of the drink, because I can easily see what it is. Because this one has a couple, you can see some berries, and stuff. And on the back, it talks a little bit about the drink, but I'm not entirely sure exactly what the different berries are and everything and what the ingredients are. So that would be useful if they did it all standardized like other ones. Just like the other cities, it does say how to drink it and it gives you a little story. So this one also says, you know, first drink the top, take a bite out of the top, the night guide, again the cheese cap, and then drink the drink. Basically is what it says. And so it's got some berries and it's got a cheese cap and it's jasmine tea. And it says expect it to be sweet and sour. So you've probably seen me drink like 5 other drinks by now, so you know I like sweet and sour. Enough talking, let's go. That's fantastic. A+. Flavor is a little bit like swan mei tang. Swan mei tang is like a sweet plum drink. Maybe these are plums? No, I don't know. Swan mei tang is a drink you get in China. It tastes a bit like that. And as you can see, the cheese cap is not too thick, so that's not gonna be too hard to cut through. Oh, that's really good. Awesome. 5 stars. That's so good. I recommend NIO sells this in every shop. You NIO owners in Tianjin, I'm very lucky to have this drink. All right, that's another one down. But anyway, thanks for following me, and I'll see you at the next one. Bye-bye. I know it's gonna seem like a really obvious and simple thing, but sometimes in China, the obvious and simple thing doesn't happen. And so when I asked them to print up this paper for me at the NIO House, because I need it to drive into Beijing, because my license plate is from out of town, they said, yeah, no problem. For free, of course. Like, sometimes in China, you would think that'd be so simple, and they make it into a whole song and dance. So, as always, NIO customer service is pretty good. And for anybody who's like thinking that's really a stupid thing to be grateful for is a free piece of paper, this is China, so you have no idea.